What's up? It's not being away from the office. Everybody, you know how it feels. Pretty foreign, but we like it. We like it. Now, I hope my mic is working. So we'll see how YouTube does this. What's going on, everybody? Let me see. Yeah, perfect mic. Perfect, perfect mic. Loving it. Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back. Now, of course, away from the office, but not away from you. Loving everybody who's coming in right now. My name is Oscar Ramos, and as always, we're here because crypto is everywhere. I've been walking during my vacations. I've been walking on my stepping app, building those steps, making money. Solana, to be more specifically, stepping, which is GST. So I change it to GMT or Solana, right? And so that's one thing. Then I have my miners, then I have other things, and it's always making money on this side, of course. Everybody, Bitcoin under $30,000, CRONOS under 20 cents, and then we have, what do we have? Terra Luna under 40502. What does that mean, everybody? It just means that we're just in a consolidation stage. The bear market is still with us. Fear is huge. So what do we do, guys? Always putting money on the side because bad things can happen for the crypto market, but that means huge and great things for us as investors. That means that although we're seeing lowest prices and people telling us, Oscar, that is the ugliest thing ever, we're gonna just see redness like for forever. But what I tell them is, guys, what an amazing price to be alive, right? Timbo, what's going on, buddy? That genius, Taylor, Eloy, Luis, what's up, man? Love to see you, fam. Taylor, Jordan, loading up on AMP, of course, quick pump and dump. When it comes to I'm talking, you know how it behaves. We all know how it behaves. What's going on, buddy? Welcome. Sub Oscar, maybe it's time to leave MM ecosystem. Oh, I think that's a magnificent question when it comes to Kronos, because that's what I wanna talk with you guys tonight, plus Bitcoin and other ones. Um, I think when it comes to the updates, I mean, just per se, Terra Luna, right now Terra Luna is one day away, about one day or so from closing that system, probably one day away of closing that system. So most of us know that forking is going to be the answer. But to put that aside, there's going to be a new protocol coming in. We'll see what happens. A lot of people, us, we know that the price currently is destroyed, cooked, and some of you guys are making a lot of money that I cannot even believe it. But I love it. I love it. Personally, if it goes well above, what is it, 403, I'm in, bro, because that's the last time I bought my Luna, and I'm gonna be making money. Come on, we like to make money. What's going on, Chris James? What's up with that Tectonic? Well, let me tell you right now on crypto.com, Tectonic. I'm going to go ahead and tell you exactly what happened. Tectonic DeFi wallet now integrates Tectonic staking. So, what does that mean? It means that crypto.com, when you go on the application, right, on the DeFi wallet, you will be able to start earning Tonic on the DeFi in just one click. And I think that's really important for Tectonic. I mean, you guys know how big about I am about Tectonic. I own it. 177 million Tectonic I own. Every single day I'm earning more Tectonics. Right now, Mima's Finance, it's doing really well. It's doing really well, and probably even better than Tectonic at this point when it comes to popularity. We know Tectonic has way more market capitalization, way more TVL, and Mimas is coming out really strongly. Am I going to leave Tectonic for Mimas? Absolutely not. Look, if in the bear market we have MMF, Tectonic, and VVS Finance surviving, that's it. We like it. That's one thing I've been telling you for a long time, everybody. If we have VVS, MMF, and Tectonic surviving that this bear market that we have, for how long are we gonna have this bear market, everybody? Biggest question of all. Halving, Bitcoin halving comes at the roughly middle of 2024, right? because 2020 was the last one. We have 2024, this upcoming one. Halving, what is it for the people who don't know? When you reduce the supply of rewards for Bitcoin, right now they get less. It's an important date for Bitcoin, for I mean, for miners, right, for the proof of work. So that comes usually at the early of the halving. We have a nice run, we have a nice bull run. That helps a lot. For altcoins as well, helps a lot. But my Tectonic is still there, still with my MMF and still with my VVS. Out of the three, everybody, out of the three, I think VVS Finance has the more brains when it comes to keeping Chronos ecosystem holders on the platform, because they lock you up and they don't let you go. They just don't let you go, everybody, which is incredible. Welcome, everybody. You don't forget to smash that like button, consider subscribing, and turn on those notification bells, guys. I'm here talking to you live away from my office, because it's always great to chat with the fam, chat with you guys, and just being with the real fam, the physical fam that I can see and touch. And I'm in Florida, as you can take a look by the shirt. Loving it. Today was Animal Kingdom, and that was fantastic. Who do we have in the house here? Taylor, what's going on, man? James, what's up with Tectonic? Ease of use, user friendly, of course. So you think to keep my Luna? I'm keeping it, man. I'm not selling my Luna at this point. Makes no sense. My grid is from Hungary. Nice. Love your channel. Thanks for your work. Thank you, Anthony. Appreciate it, my man. Thank you. Republicans control also will help market 2024. I mean that I think politics, we don't talk about politics here, but when you want to have an amazing, educated, and certain accurate channel when it comes to finance, you do need to talk about those topics. And I can tell you right now, it's just a big important factor to have another bull market, right? We have, just to give you an idea, we have number one, war in Ukraine. Number two, inflation. Number three, we have supply chain issues. And number four, we have, what else you guys have? Gas prices. We have so many different things. I'm here in Florida and seeing $5. I mean, that's just insane, right? From Texas, we're still at four, man. We're still at four, which I love it, man. So don't let all of these issues right now in the economy scare you, fam, because, well, this is exactly what our friends and family from 2017 Bitcoin and 2013 Bitcoin went through. And right now, they're probably in Lamborghinis, mansions, Miami, right here where I mean Orlando, where right here where I am, or just living the life because they went through that tough period of time. And just take it from me. I mean, I think there's a lot of capital involved in the markets right now, fam. And once we are back, not only in cryptocurrency, but also in the stock market, real estate for some of you, we're just gonna do way better. Realistically speaking, guys, you know that realistically speaking, that's the way I like to speak here with you. We just gotta wait till 2022 ends and more, because this year's already cooked. Not only because of all the things, remember what the Fed is doing. Remember what the Fed is doing as well with increasing increasing rates. We still have at least two rate increases till the end of 2022. That's just going to scare the market right now a lot, and probably, just probably, the market is already scared and it's not growing. So bunch of things there for sure. Star, what's up, man? Locked your VBS for 4 years. Let's ride, see where it all end up at. Of course, mine is 2026 March. How about you guys? My VVS finance is March 2026. We'll see what happens with VVS finance by then. But guys, once again, I think that's a great question. Thank you for asking. All of these projects, when it comes to Chronos, guys, all of these projects are extremely new. Extremely new. Look, even Crowcoin is extremely new. When if you want to compare something to Bitcoin just per se, everything is extremely new, and most of the cryptocurrencies we've been covering, right? Even I'm token is extremely new. So I think in the world of crypto, right, I am gonna be away from my office for a couple of couple of days. To me, that's gonna be like a month because we're always, very clustered and alone when it comes to crypto, and or like focus on crypto. And but it does help to have a break, let me tell you. But the point of the story is all of this. If you take a look at the day by day price changes, as I'm seeing right now, MMF went through the roof, destroyed right now to 100% retracement on the Fibonacci levels. I think we have to wait for the other recovery, and we're gonna feel much better. And that's when you're gonna realize this was a good long-term run, right? Let's go. Nice shirt. Appreciate it. Thank you very much. Weed, what's going on, Weed? Chronos will do amazing and even better than BNB. That's a great question. Actually, let me bring you guys in with that question. Which one will do better in the long run? Big question for my fan right here. First one we have this one, and second we have is which one will do better in the long run? BNB exchange or Crow exchange? And none other. And this one you do comments. Send it. Welcome everybody. Welcome whoever is joining. Away from the office, but never away from you. That's catchy. Come on, give me that one. Cheers, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Ah, baby. What's going on, Global? Happy to have you buying the dips, Crow and Steak. That's what I'm doing too, been doing the 12% for a long time. Been doing the 12% staking on Crow for a long time, and I think I like that a lot. Hello from Canada. Hoping that you'll give that dark crypto a chance one day. I'm also writing the MMF and VVS. Let me tell you, when it comes to dark crypto, I think it already it's withstanding the time for me to cover it too, for me to be interested. I think dark crypto is another good one, to be honest with you, another good protocol. I go to DeFi Llama and I see it. The thing with dark crypto, guess what, is that because I'm already very focused on MMF, Tectonic, and VVS, and I'm down on them. I'm like down on them. Nice. I don't want to get much more money in my protocol because of the times that we live in right now. And I think this is a perfect segue for me to tell you we might see much lower prices because the market, every single time we have a pump, it's liquidating, it's liquidating, it's liquidating. And that, it is not a good sign for bulls, guys. So it's not wise for me to invest right now in any protocol, even though the prices are extremely down. And I know I like him, but you understand that altcoins drop very massively as compared to Bitcoin, as compared to Ethereum. And I mean, better for me to wait because I'm already down, and I mean, I'm already riding this beautiful horse, right? So if you, non-financial advice, of course, but if you're coming new to the Chronos ecosystem and you have $1,000, just split it. MMF, VBS Finance, Tectonic, Dark Crypto, and some other NFTs from crypto.com. You will not go wrong. You will not go wrong for sure. Thank you for doing these lives. Of course, I was in the morning. That's nice. Buying the dips, Crow, and staking. Let's go. How far can Shiba go down? Well, Shiba can add a zero for sure. It was really close of adding a zero. Shiba, it was really, really close from adding a zero, guys. And I think it can do it. And if it does it, that is your signal to start a position for sure. Because other way, if you do a long term Shiba Inu, we can you can ride that wave, but for Shiba Inu, you do remember to liquidate. That's something that goes for everybody when it comes to the Chronos ecosystem, right? Liquidating is it's really never bad, and that's what people are doing right now. Welcome, Ave, if it's a good option. Now, hey, Oscar G, realistically, how low can Crow supply get down to? The crow supply, well, the crow price, I can tell you that when the crow supply right now, it's in the billions, right? um well, we'll have to see that one for sure. The crow price, on the other hand, we can go down to the 8 to 7 cents, to the 8 to 7 cents. G, what's going on? Hey, Oscar, thank you for all what you do. I appreciate your info and time. Anytime, Chris. Thank you very much. DVS in earn. How did I miss that? It is. Go ahead and take it. Take it, of course. Yeah, I think Taylor Room pullback. There you go. Ireland in the house. We like it, everybody. We like it. So I'm seeing right now on the screen, right? Sadly, I cannot share it with you guys, but it's okay. Seeing right now on the screen, we have Bitcoin 29,000, in the last 7 days, less than 2.36% Bitcoin. So basically, I'm thankful the prices are just still consolidating because I'm not losing anything when it comes to the price action. We might see some, I will say, updates here and there, but the price action is everything. Like it's not doing much. Only Phantom in the last 7 days is doing something. Only Aave is doing something, but honestly, the best ones are not doing much. Terra Luna, Terra USD is 6 cents right now. 6 cents. Are you kidding me? So it's not only depegged, it's destroyed right now, Terra USD, and sadly, that's what's going to happen. We have KDA Cadena, 20% down. Waves, 21% down. ApeCoin, oh, that ApeCoin is kicking me in the butt. You guys already know my story with ApeCoin, and well, I'm not gonna repeat it, right? But it's 15% down. HNT Helium. I made a video. I don't know if you guys saw it, right? I made a video about HNT, but a miner. It's pretty cool. And not many people watch it, which is fine. But if you're looking for a way to make passive income, don't forget about that one for sure. Watching from Ireland, not bad. Watching from Ireland, let's go. Happy to have you here. Hey Oscar, are you interested on Deutschland Mars support to the Mars 2025? Buy like a couple of millions, the cheapest price right now. When it comes to Deutschland Mars, I know that one very well because I mean, of course, it started really in CRONOS, Deutschland Mars. A lot of people like it, which is good, but not really very interested right now. Deutschland Mars is a meme coin, and I'm not very particularly interested when it comes to a meme coin at this point. Better to put that money in protocols that have more utility, like the ones that we're talking right now. But hey, thank you for asking. Mummy of the Arca, what's going on, man? Happy to have you in the house. Let's go. Are you not feeling well, brother? I'm feeling well. I'm actually in vacations right now, so that's why I'm not in the office. And this is not a hospital. This is not a hospital, everybody. We're here just chilling, having a great time with you, fam. Thank you, thank you, thank you. What's going on, mommy? Just got my Bobcat 300. No way. I'm so happy for you. You got your Bobcat 300. Guys, as always, look, like I've started this live, the stepping. Get your stepping app, buy for 10 or 15 Solana, get some shoes, go walk, and you will have it to energy, make some money. It's honestly really worth it. Number two, get some crypto miners on the side. That's pretty cool. And number three, DeFi, DeFi, DeFi. So that is my secret. That is my secret, guys. How am I making money on the side during a bear market, right? And I'm going to end this poll right now. How many votes did we get? Let's see, because I'm gonna add another poll that I think is much more important. So, which one will do better in the long run? 76% say Crow. Let's grow, baby, with 60 votes. I know it's a little biased, but who cares? Let's grow, everybody. Nice. Welcome, guys. What's going on? Oh, baby. Nice. Watching from Australia. Loving it. Australia. Nice. Well, I'm seeing a lot of Australians here and a lot of people from Ireland here in Orlando. We're going to Disney World and stuff. It's beautiful, guys. I love it. I know most of you, of course, being here before, so we love it. It's just a great place, honestly, to be at. When it comes, guys, to that question of how you're making money on this side, and I'm gonna make this poll right now because I'm gonna talk about it right now very quickly. Make How do you guys make money in the bear market? That's a very, very, very important question. DeFi, miners, or maybe a like a move to earn app, or Another possible way could be play to earn or none. Asking the community right now. Send it. I think KuCoin is a very close runner up. That's another good point. FTX, actually. FTX. FTX is another good one as well. Hey, Pablo, what's going on, man? Happy to see you here. I touched the BNB by accident. When my 30 CRO goes up, I'm going to be able to buy a new truck. I think Crocon, guys, we're easily seeing a $1. Crocon, we're easily seeing a $1. There's no question about it. You're buying Crocon at 8 cents. You're buying Crocon at 10 cents. You're buying Crocon at 20 cents or so. Crocon is an easy dollar cryptocurrency, but we do need to wait for right now, for what I'm seeing and for what I can tell you, for the next halving to happen, the next actual bull run, not a fake bull trap, but a bull run. That's exactly why. I'm starting to see some boats happening right now, fam. And what I can tell you is a lot of people like DeFi. A lot of people have like DeFi, and I think that's how me personally and you guys are making a lot of money right now on DeFi because other than that, the other ones do require way more investment upfront. Now, let me tell you why DeFi. Well, because if you have $100, you can buy millions of Tectonic, hundreds of thousands of VVS, or a couple hundreds of MMF, putting on the vaults and then making money on the side. And right now, some of you bought them before this bear market and are like me down, right? But some of you can buy it right now and will be much better later. Just the name of the game, guys. Just the name of the game. What do we have here? What is your take on Shiba Predator? Is that another token? Because if it is, I haven't heard of it, bro. I really haven't heard of it. While you keep voting, everybody, I'm seeing right now here the price of Tectonic Finance, and we're looking at 6 years to one, guys. Tectonic Finance 6 years to one. We've been talking about Tectonic for a while, the two pumps that we have. And well, let me tell you, everybody, we have one more pump for Tectonic, and that is not a bad idea. Let me tell you this, that is not a bad idea to liquidate and start again on this one. If I start seeing Tectonic, right, go into the, let me tell you exactly when. So let me give you like a nice exit and a re-entry, right? We have Tectonic at a nice 6 zeros, 6 zeros 8, 6 zeros 9. At that point, I'm already unstaking, right? Because it's gonna take me 10 days. It's gonna take me 10 days for me to go and sell it. Now, I want to sell it so I can buy it back later in the drop because by looking at how things are going, if we have a little fake of a pump, that's what I'm going to do. By the time we get to the real bull market, then I can hold it and sell it much more later. You understand? If we have a fake pump right now or something that is going to be a short term pump, not bad idea to have and collect those profits because I mean you have to be honest with yourself. You right now are super down, but later on, as we have a clear path to a bull run, that can take a while. That's when you hold it later and then sell it close to the top. There's two ways of seeing this for sure. Two ways, and I like to give you, of course, my opinions on it. Oof. Stake Crow MF got in the high end, and low end. So when things start going up, should be awesome. Got 850 earn on MMF right now. No way, that's a lot. Seven, happy for you. I'm also in Crow MMF. I'm also there. I'm adding to the MMO too and staking on the 12%. So kind of like keeping all my corners and boxes filled when it comes to Chronos. The prices are just too good to pass, in my opinion. The prices are just too good to pass. Right now, understand this. Right now it's May, right? So we have June, July, August, September, October, November. We have 6 more months for the World Cup to come. Now, who is gonna be the crypto exchange sponsor of the entire crypto, the entire crypto World Cup? Imagine that, right? Of the World Cup, it's gonna be Crypto.com. who's gonna be the blockchain sponsor of the World Cup? Algorand. To my surprise, Algorand is gonna be, which is insane, and I like it. Really good job for Algorand, right? Algorand, it's just another one that I really, really like. There's many, by the way, that I really, really like. But the point of the story is, it it wouldn't surprise me if we see a pump before the World Cup starts, and then some type of liquidation as the World Cup continues. So if you're trying to day trade CRO, don't forget to liquidate some as you see the market fit. For that, you'll have to go to the trading view, have 5 or 15 minute chart, and then RSI. When you go up, passing the 70, 80 on the other side, sell, and then once you're down in the 30s, buy, and keep doing that. When you do that, you should be fine. You should be fine, my man. So I think it's a good strategy if those are looking for trading. Booker, what's going on, Booker? Oscar, I'm joining a little bit late. You look like you are in bed. Are you sick? No, guys, I'm not sick. Some people think I'm sick. No, I'm not sick. I'm just chilling. I'm not in my office, right? I'm just vacation, just chilling, just having fun. And of course, I wanted to take some time to talk to all of you because I haven't been able to make some videos. I mean, going to Disney World, just enjoying the time with family, with friends and stuff, and it's just great time to chit chat with you. I'm not don't have my software to make those cool videos that I make or so, but I just wanted to have answer some questions and talk about crypto like the way we love it. So thank you for asking, Booker. Appreciate it. Hey, what's going on, Edgar? Happy to see you here. Waiting on the sideline with cash to start buying. Robert, great job on Luna. 0.003 cents, 200K average as well. Looking for some small positions, some big tech soon. Not a bad idea. I'm very excited, like excited for what's to come with Luna, because believe me, as soon as I come back, we'll continue talking about it. May 27 is when it's supposed to be the day when Luna finally has something new to offer us, and that will be just amazing. And hopefully, a lot of people will have some type of money compensation, right? So I for sure will want to be ready with a lab and more videos on that date. We still have a couple more days by then, but just expect on May 27. That's gonna be pretty delicious for sure. This economic cash, it's crypto enema. All the projects are getting flushed out. Crypto is the game. You mentioned that, and I agree with I agree with the point of all the bad projects and the garbage rock pools are gonna get out, and I like that. I really like that. It's gonna clean out, flush this toilet of cryptocurrency, and we have 20,000. Just take a look at coin market cap. 20,000 is just too many for sure. But the good ones, like from CRONOS, I think that's just amazing. And the ones that are bad, like MMF handles them, they're gonna be getting out. Scrub Finance, for example, it. Mommy of the Aka with the first super chat of the night. What's going on, man? Thank you very much, Mommy. Appreciate your kind donation. Love it, love it, love it. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much. Take a roller coaster ride, of course. That's coming up very soon. We love it, everybody. That is nice. Who likes Chainlink? I like Chainlink. I have some Chainlink for sure. I have some Chainlink for sure. So, for sure, guys, right now Luna trading at 0.0017. So, we've been talking about Luna for a while in the channel because it's something that a lot of people are interested, right? Why? Well, because Luna has offered people for months one of the best stable coins that was able to get from position 100 to top 10 by market cap. Then what happened? Sometimes what's too good to be true, it's just too good to be true, and then there you go, collapse happens, and that's what happened with Terra Luna. They weren't prepared for the type of attack that occurred for the protocol, and that's it. Now there's a lot of people very interested because, of course, the price. as we're gonna continue with the new project. It's gonna be exciting to see what they're gonna end up doing. But I think from now, the trust that Duquan and Terra Luna project have has gone down, and they will have to bring it back. One of the things that I like, and for all my Chronos holders watching, this is important. I haven't mentioned this exactly the way I'm going to say it right now in a video, and that's going to come later. But think about all the holders that are now out of Terra Luna, staking on Anchor Protocol, that were able to leave on time. They are looking for places, they're looking for houses to park their money and make more of it. Where are they going now? That's the question. Some of them are going to Sushi Swap, Pancake Swap, Uniswap. Some of them are going to NFT. Some of them are going to elsewhere. But what I think is exciting to see more people, more volume coming to Chronos that left the Terra Luna boat. Yes, I've said it right. That's pretty much what happened. And that's something that just makes total sense to me. They're leaving Terra Luna, some of them, because of the trust is gone, and they're going to Chronos. And we're going to see that more when things come back, because Chronos ecosystem right now is a top 7 out of many, out of 50, 60 blockchains on DeFi Llama. Once we're back, if we put Chronos at position 5 by the end 2022, which that means that the prices are now better, forget about it. That is everything. That is everything. So at that point, easily we're enjoying some nice leadership and more awareness for the projects on Chronos network, on Chronos chain. And that for us is going to be amazing, because then that helps Crowcoin get more traction, more volume, more holders, and just helps as a whole for us to make more money at the end of the day. Better chance for you to make more money if you buy right now, not financial advice, of course, than if you buy when things are the brightest. And that's just always been the case. Oscar, are you Hakuna Matata on the MMF? Now that you mentioned, I watched the show today and it was amazing. That was really, really good. So hopefully that makes sense, right? Hopefully that makes sense, because it's going to happen eventually. We just have to wait it out. And Ethereum, Pablo, Ethereum, better go to 500. Ethereum, the new upgrade, the merge. Excited to see that, how they're transitioning from proof of work to proof of stake. And when they do that, if they actually enhance their leadership on DeFi, baby, that's gonna be amazing. And at the end of the day, we all need Ethereum for one way or another. Ethereum is the key. And Chronos is a great exchange with a nice metaverse, NFT, and DeFi ecosystem, thanks to Cosmos SDK software developer kit. It's all just intertwined so big, guys, that you need. If one goes down like Terra Luna, it affects a lot of things. Just close the poll, my friends. How do you make money in the bear market? And 87% of people say DeFi. 7% people say miners. That's also me included. Um, P2E, which is play to earn. So Axe Infinity, your Decentraland, your Harmony has one, your sandboxes or NFTs type of gaming stuff. There it is. And then M2E, which is move to earn. And that is exactly what I was telling you with Steppen app, which I'm using it, recommended. It works because you're paid with GST, and then you can swap that for Solana, guys. And I bought one shoe for 13 Solanas, and I'm to a point that I'm gonna end up buying a new shoe with the money that I earn, which is amazing. So more news and more info for you guys to take a look at it. Mommy of the Aka with another massive super chat. Thank you, bro. Appreciate that a lot. That really comes in handy right now. Cheers. All right. Fam, got some SPS from P2A. There you go. Like it. Craig, stop accumulating Crow and jump on the Algo train. Gonna hold my Crow, but Algo is making major moves. Craig, not, I mean, Algorand, I hold more than 5,000 algo on the wallet. I'm a governor, and I'm gonna be voting pretty soon. I believe in June that we have the algorand vote. Algorand is another behemoth of a blockchain, same as Cardano. That once it wakes up, gonna be super glad that I own a little bit. So algorand for sure. Super excited. Absolutely. What do you see Tectonic opinion, in your opinion, in the next 5 to 10 years? Well, first and foremost, I want to see Tectonic survive in this bear market, right? I want to see because if Tectonic does go back to just per se the first pump price, that's it. Check survive for reals. I'm actually seeing the price right now. The price that we need for Tectonic. So let me see. Let me see. Let me bring. You're not seeing this, right, guys? But I'm seeing it for you. And what I'm trying to do here in a price label is what is the first like? It's going to be 00. It's what 1 2. It's like 501. 501 Tectonic. If we do that, we're back in the game. They survived. If it doesn't do that, and it takes longer, then we'll have to reevaluate and assess what's happening. But if it does 501 in when outcomes come back, that's it. We made it. And at that point, let's go hard on Tectonic because that 500 trillion supply eventually will come down. And because eventually, I mean, if you guys didn't know for Tectonic, governance. And here's where I love to mention algorand because I'm an algorand governor and we decide what happens with the blockchain. And Tectonic wants to add governance. And BVS Finance with the XBVS vaults, that's governance too. And MMF, they also, in a way, must have governance too. So all of these protocols have some type of governance that you can read and learn on their Discord, so you know what's happening and you get a vote and a say according to the tokens that you have. So pretty cool. It's a guarantee 100x backwards. That's so cool, bro. That's so cool. So that is what I can tell you, right? First and foremost, we need, in my opinion, to keep my cash safe. I just want them to reverse back to the healthy prices, right? We know to kind of bring everything together, guys. We know that current prices are very tough for everybody. We know that they can be even bloodier because what we're seeing in Bitcoin, we're not passing. I'm here seeing the prices right now. We're not passing. Boom. We're not passing 30,000. We're not passing what 2,000 plus on Ethereum. We're not passing everything. Solana, CRO, their CRO at 19 cents, right? We're just not passing them. And that's been like this since the first week of May. Since the first week of May. And because early May was super down. April was total disaster, just down, dead, destroyed, hating on crypto type of thing. The Fed came, destroyed the rates, then Russia, and then Putin, and then supply chain, and then Biden. Everything was destroyed. April was just down. And then May is like consolidating nicely. But that's just the market that we got to live, right? In a way, it's good because then we have the lowest prices right now in a couple of weeks. Then later on, it's going to be much better. You think that we'll see Tectonic in other exchanges like Binance or Coinbase? That is the other thing. And I believe when we were buying this crypto for the first time, people were wanting this to happen right now. Let them first survive the bear market, and then later on, Coinbase, I'm sure they will be listening to them and listening to Chronos much vividly, and they will start adding some. If I will, just my opinion, if there's one cryptocurrency that will be added from the protocols that we're talking about to Coinbase, I believe that's going to be MMF just because of the engagement, brand awareness, and ecosystem they have built. And if it's MMF, I'm going to be extremely happy because I'm earning more and more and more and more and more as we speak. Isn't that amazing? Alrighty, fam. What an amazing chat we have. And honestly, love it. And I think this is pretty cool. It worked. Everything worked. Just having a great chat with the fam. Um, Overall, I'm having an amazing time right now. Very blessed, and the market's still down. Oh, baby, don't we like that, right? I'm not missing too much. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button if you want. Of course, consider subscribing for more updates like this one. Um, Away from the office, very healthy, highly recommended. Guys, I think that's all for me, and I wish you the best. Here, Mickey, established 1928, and I tell you blessings. Be safe, enjoy. Thank you for tuning in. Honestly, thank you for tuning in. I appreciate mommy. Thank you for all your support. People watching from all over. Thank you guys. And you have an amazing rest of your night because the party right here is barely starting. I'm always like my phrases, kind of have to be the one, you know, laughing at my own jokes. Alrighty, fam. I'll catch you later. Thank you very much, everybody. And I'll see you next time, guys. Peace. Thank you, fam. Catch you later. Boom.